guys, it's me Jennifer Kendrick and welcome back to my channel. So today guys is another day. I'm gonna show you another recipe of non-guilt dessert. So ayan guys, I'm gonna make you a choco mug cake, low carbs and keto friendly dessert. So okay guys, let's get started. I have a half of cup of almond flour, and I have baking soda. I have Hershey's cocoa, 100%, so all natural and sweetened. I have one egg. I have about 1/2 tablespoon of butter. I have a little bit of vanilla extract, and then I'm gonna use this stevia no calorie granulated for sweetener. So ayan guys, let's get started. So now guys, I'm gonna put our butter first. Ayan. And then I'm going mix it up. I'm gonna put a Hershey's in it, just about 1 tablespoon. So yeah, I'm gonna put the egg, 1 egg. So I'm gonna use this sweetener right here, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of it, just about 1 tablespoon also. And just about 1/2 teaspoon of a vanilla extract. It's optional guys. So now I'm gonna put the baking soda. It's just about 1/2 teaspoon of it. There it is. Mix it in. So now I'm gonna add the almond flour. Is 1/2 cup of almond flour. Mix it in. So that's it. So guys, this is it. After you will mix it all in, this is how it look like. And you're gonna put this in microwave for up to 90 seconds. So Let's put it in. It's about 90 seconds. So after 90 seconds, guys, let's take it out. This is how it looks like. So now after 90 seconds, guys, you have a choco mug cake, keto friendly. Ayan, so no guilt siya kainin after your intermittent fasting or whatever diet you have. So ayan guys, it's low carb and it's good to go with your coffee. See how it looks like inside. So very moist, as you can see. This looks good. So yan guys, yan lang ang ating mai-share for today's video. Choco mug cake in 90 seconds in the microwave is really good guys. It's good to go with your coffee. No guilt siyang kainin. So, ayan guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Press the bell notification para updated kayo sa akin susunod pa na mga video at recipe for a low carb diet. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.